How to connect Google AdSense to Blogger. So the first step is to simply go to Blogger, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to earnings here, and then as you can see here, start earning from ads by creating an AdSense account. When you set up an AdSense account, we'll automatically place ads for you in all the best places. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on create AdSense account, and then the next step is to simply create your AdSense. So as you can see at the top you have your site, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply select here your country, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on start using AdSense, and then you're gonna have to set up your AdSense account. So you're gonna have to enter some personal information. Now as you can see here, how often will I get paid? So if you have any questions like this, as you can see, if you scroll down, we can basically see here all this information. So as you see when I paid, and as you can see between the 21 and 26 of the month you're gonna get paid. So basically that's all you have to do in order to connect the AdSense to Blogger. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.